Get through the Man City game, and obviously, you man are proving that you're legit. Get through the Spurs game, you win the league. It's that simple. Get through City and Spurs, you've won the league. Lose to City, and then lose to Spurs, and then we'll be talking green bottles again. I love you, Northside. You're my bro. I don't want to be talking green or blue bottles. But for me, Arsenal have mirrored what they've done last season. So am I going to come out of here and say, well done? Any team that's top of the league at this stage needs to be applauded. But like you, because I think me and you have very similar opinions when it comes to football, like you, we can't start shaking our bum. All them Arsenal fans who were literally wearing red thongs and shaking their bum violently outside Hybrid Islington Station need to just settle themselves. Just calm yourself down and let the Easter period pass. When that passes, and if you're still top of the league, then shake your bums violently all the way to Leicester Square. I don't give a damn. But until then, we just need to stay calm. And that's my views. Those are my thoughts. Distractions this year. They don't have Champions League to deal with. They don't have FA Cup to deal with. They've already won the Carabao Cup. It's all or nothing. Literally like the series that changed Arteta's life. Do you get me? They can literally go for broke. Do you get what I'm saying? So for me, I think Liverpool can do it. And also, Man City have been pretty dusty by their standards this season. I mean, it's been sandy. Do you get me? It's been looking like June, the way they've been playing football this season. Real talk. Everyone, Man City fans will do the glass half full rather than the glass half empty. They will say, oh, we are where we are in the league and we ain't played well. So any day now, we're going to play well and win the league. But what happens if they don't play well, bro? There's only 10 games left. It might, that whole, it's going to come, and then they're going to do their thing. It might not happen, bro. That's the reality. Because for me, if the engine light comes on in your vehicle, it means there's something wrong with the car. It needs to get checked. Sometimes you can keep driving the vehicle and the light comes off. But really and truly, you should get it checked. And for me, I've seen enough worrying signs from Man City to say that maybe Pep overhyped himself. They didn't replace Mahrez. They didn't replace Gundogan. They didn't. Any Man City fan will tell you that is the truth, and we can see it. Doku is good, but he's no replacement for Mahrez. And who did they bring in to replace Gundogan? Foden stepped up. Thank God he stepped up, though. Because if he didn't step up, it would be long for them from now. It would be Liverpool and Arsenal going for broke. So for me, I'm not shaking my bum for City. Last season, I told you that when people were making their predictions at the beginning of the season, they all said it's going to be between Liverpool and Man City. And on your show, I said, I'm not sure, you know. I'm not sure if these two teams are going to do what people think they will do. And I was right, because Liverpool fell off. No one saw that coming. This year, I'm just not so sure that Man City have the minerals left to get it over the line. I would even go as far as to say, even though I think Man City will beat Arsenal, you're still more likely to win the league than City, in my opinion. Bro, Liverpool are the second highest goal scorers in the Prem. You man have scored 70 and you're sourcing. They've scored 65 and they've had Jota out. They've had Salah out for a bit. He was even at AFCON. He was injured. Nunez hitting the crossbar and post 4 times in one match. And the whole debacle with Diaz. But they still scored the second most. They've even scored more than City, bro. So goal scoring hasn't been too much of a problem for these men. That is the truth. Somehow, some way, they have made it work. Defensively, they've been good. They're without their best goalkeeper, and Alisson. Kelleher has come in and he's done a job. Bro, these men are coming back. Imagine Jota's coming back, bro. Salah's just returned and Jota comes back. When Jota comes back, it's long. He was banging in.
Well, he never stays fit, bro. He never stays fit. This is the thing. I'm not disagreeing. I'm just bringing an argument as to why they wouldn't. You said that they could win it. I'm saying why there's still question marks about their team. You're saying about Jota, and he is a baller. He is a baller. But the thing is, the guy is, in terms of injuries, bro, is shocking, bro.
No, I hear what you're
So
saying.
do you think he can stay fit?
Who, Jota?
Yeah.
Bro, he just needs to stay fit for 10 games. He's not trying to stay fit for the season. He's trying to stay fit for 10 games. And in those 10 games, they don't have to worry about you, man. They don't have to worry about City. I don't know. Have they got City again in that run? That run, bro. The only dodgy game for Liverpool in that run-up is Spurs.
Nah, United as well. Bro, you forgetting they lost 4-3 to United their last
Yeah,
game?
yeah. Bro, let me be real with you. I know there was a lot of noise about the Man
It's a
United
derby,
game.
bro.
I know it's a derby, but Liverpool were not bothered, bro. You know why? Because it was the FA Cup. I'm not lying to you, bro. I know people trying to hype it like it was a derby. Oh, how can they lose 4-3? They weren't bothered. Just like they were able to bring so many kids on in the Carabao Cup final against Chelsea. Deep down, Klopp was going to win. He wasn't bothered whether he won or lost, bro. The main thing is they're going for the league. They're not going to sit back and treat the competition with the same disrespect they did with the FA Cup and Carabao Cup. They're going to go for it, bro.
Yeah, but